Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows error for your Windows. So this is applicable for both your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So you just need to follow the method or solution that will best work for you. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is we just need to basically try to restart our Windows. Simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So try restarting your Windows because once you restart your Windows, that will refresh all the system processes of your Windows. So try restarting first. Then for the next method is we need to make sure that our Windows operating system is up to date because once updated, we rarely face an issue with it. So click on the start button and go to settings. On the list of options on the left when you have to select Windows Update, then click this button right here to check, download, and install for all the updates on your Windows. And once updated, close out of here. Next method is you can also check the disk space, especially if you're trying to install some applications. So make a right click on the Start button and then you have to select File Explorer. Now you need to check your Windows C drive if it has enough space. Now if you're not having enough space, try this one. Go ahead in the Windows search bar, type disk cleanup. Click on Disk Cleanup under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. And you'll find the small window. Simply check these boxes one by one. And you'll find the total amount of disk space that you can gain. It will be stated right here. Click on OK. Click on Delete Files. And just wait for the process to be done. And we can also restart the File Explorer, especially for issues like File Explorer crashing. This is one of the great fix. Type in the Windows search bar Task MGR. Click on Task Manager under the best match. Maximize this. In the search bar, type Explorer. Now you'll find Windows Explorer. Simply make a right click and then select Restart. So once you click on the Restart option, that will the items on your taskbar will be gone for a while and will be back. So for the next method is you can also run the system file checker scan to fix and scan for any system corrupted files. Go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Then here simply type sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, hit enter. So the verification process will begin and you just need to wait for this to become 100% completed. And once completed, close out of here and just restart your Windows afterwards. And we can also use the troubleshooting tools of our Windows. Click on the start button and go to settings. So this is one of the great feature of our Windows because it has these troubleshooting tools. Click on system, scroll down and you'll find troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. So here you'll find the troubleshooting tools for your Windows. You have for the audio, network and internet, printer, Windows Update. So you just need to simply click on the run button that corresponds for the issue that you are facing. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. And we can also perform a clean boot. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type msconfig. You'll find system configuration under the best match. Click on that. Click on the services tab. Check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable All. Click on the Startup tab. Click on Open Task Manager. Now change the status from Enabled to Disabled. Then what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup program. Make a right click and then select Disable. Now once done, close out of here. Click on Apply. Click on OK and click on the Restart button. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.